Welcome, exhilarating X. Sounds like X, X, X. And the song goes,
take an X-ray, take an X-ray, take an X-ray, X-ray of my hand.
nice. Now, not many words begin with X. So we'll write it first. It's very easy. We start from the red broken line, go cross diagonal to the blue, and then another line to cross the first line. Once again, red to blue, cross, red to blue, cross, cross, cross. Now you do it and say it. Cross, 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 cross. There you go. Now, we'll play a longer game this time. Spot the X. Ready? Fox, box, 6, saxophone, mailbox, fixing, flex, next, boxing, exit, wax, fixing. There you go. That's it. So I'll see you in the next letter. If you're still here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you get reminded every time there's a new video. I'll see you in the next letter. Bye!